Ladies and gentlemen, my video is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the website Barnet.live. So, Barnet.live is a malicious and deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security application, but it is not related to that program. Barnet.live pop-ups have in mind to force people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. It is surely a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups. So don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups are malicious, and we recommend you to research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official resource, combocleaner.com, download the software and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.